Hello all, welcome back to Excel Skill. Today we learn the shortcuts which is very useful in our day-to-day operations. I have the data set. Now I want to apply or remove the borders. So now I'll remove these borders, and if the data has been vast and huge, you have to select the data set and press the shortcuts Alt HBA to apply the borders. The same way you have to bring back the grid lines. To bring back the grid lines, you have to copy the data set, press Alt WVG. You got these grid lines. Now you want to remove these grid lines. Again, select the data set and press Alt WVG. Got this grid lines are off. Same way, you have to select the data and do the sorting. If the data is vast, you don't have to go and press and do the sorting, and you have to see whether it is descending or the ascending order. So now, in order to make your day-to-day operations hassle-free, copy the data set, then press Alt ASA for the ascending order. And the same way, select the data set and press Alt ASD for descending order. Like this, you can make use of the shortcuts and get the things very better, and also you can save the time also. I will come up with many more shortcuts as like this and make your day-to-day operations hassle-free. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. Do like, share and comment. Your subscription will be an added advantage to me to come up with many more Excel hacks and Excel tips. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.